Repair the cup. Repair air.
Hello, darling. What about the air?
Airline, airplane.
Oh, these are new words you're learning at school.
Yes. We're learning words about travel.
Ah, that's useful. Are your teachers nice?
Yes, they're very nice.
Splendid. What are you doing?
I'm practicing the airplane.
You're pretending to be...
I'm pretending to be on an airplane.
Oh, that sounds like fun. Can I pretend too?
Please, my teachers want me to practice.
Okay. Well, I can be the glamorous lady at the check-in desk. You be the customer. Okay. Next. Stand here. Can I have your ticket, please?
Here it is.
And your passport?
Here's my passport.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
I have this bag.
That can go with you on board as a carry-on.
Okay, carry on.
Now, darling, do you prefer the window or aisle?
Sorry?
Your seat, the aisle or window?
Oh, I'd like the window seat, please.
All right, here's your boarding pass. You will be boarding at 10:20, gate 11. Have a nice trip.
Thank you.
Good girl, very good.
Thank you.
Where is your trip to?
Los Angeles.
Well, then I must be the customs officer.
Customs?
When you arrive in Los Angeles, they check your passport.
Oh, yes. Yes.
So I'm the gorgeous customs officer. You're the traveler. Name, please.
Elena Fuentes.
Can you spell that?
Fuentes.
What's the purpose of your visit? Business or pleasure?
Pleasure. I'm here on holiday.
How long are you staying?
6 weeks.
And where are you staying?
I always stay with Brad Pitt, of course.
Well, hi everyone. Welcome back for another English lesson. So today, Agatha helps Elena to learn English by pretending to work at an airport. That is a great way to learn English. Role-playing. You should try and practice some airport language. Now, I hope you are ready for some serious English learning today. We have a lot to get through. First, we are going to study the verb to have, including the affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms. I have a new pen. I don't have a new bag. Do you have a new laptop? With short answers like yes, I do or no, I don't. Then we are going to look at how we can express wishes and preferences with would like. I'd like a new bag. I'd like a new red one. And finally, we will look at the alphabet. A, B, C, D. Okay? Let's begin. Right. Now, Agatha says, do you have any bags? And Elena says, I have this small bag. These are two examples of the verb to have. We say, I have, you have, he, she, it has, we have, they have. See, it's quite simple. The only difference between this verb and other verbs is the third person singular, has. He has a new car. She has a beautiful face. We have many friends. They have a big house. We also say, he has got a new car, or he's got a new car. They have got a big house, or they've got a big house. Okay, now, to make the verb negative, we simply add don't or doesn't before have. So we can say, I don't have any money. You don't have time. She doesn't have a pen. Do you see? In the third person, don't have changes to doesn't have. He doesn't have a girlfriend, but we don't have the book. In the interrogative form, we put do or does before the subject. So we can ask, do you have a pencil? Yes, I do. Does she have any children? Yes, she does. Do they have a dog? No, they don't. Although it sounds a bit old-fashioned, sometimes we also say, have you any children? Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Now, I'd like to show you something I'm very proud of. Marmalade. Yes, I made it myself yesterday afternoon, and it's delicious. Would you like to taste some? Maybe with some toast and butter? Right, we use would like to offer something, or do you remember in the sitcom, Elena said, I'd like the window seat, please. Well, I'd like is the contraction of I would like, and we use it to express wishes and preferences. We say, I would like some tea, please. I'd like some tea, please. Would you like a sandwich? Yes, I would. Would you like a salad? No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't like to drink a gin and tonic at 10 in the morning. Would you? Okay, finally, I'd like to look at the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now let's try spelling some words. I am Gabrielle. Gabrielle. We are studying English. English. My father's name is Jack. Jack. Can you spell your name? Go on, have a try. Well, that's all for today. Keep practicing that alphabet. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.